everyone, I'm Lynn, and today I thought I would talk about OnGuard essential oil. And I hope you're enjoying my little series that I'm doing every week, putting a new oil out there, because for me, my goal is not only to have oils, but knowing how to use them and how to apply them in your life. I mean, oils are no good if they just sit in your cabinet or tucked away in a drawer. So hopefully I'm encouraging everybody to at least experiment a little and see how you feel. Maybe try something new and see what positive effects you gain from them. So today I'm talking about OnGuard, and OnGuard is an oil that's a blend. It has several different oils combined together, and the combination of the oils help to promote a positive effect on your immune system. It can be taken internally, it can be diffused, or it can be put on topically, depending on what you have going on and maybe how you want to go about treating it. And so one of the things that you can do, what I like to do is if I feel like I'm getting sick, I'll take a glass of water. At least 4 ounces is what they recommend. I just take a glass of water, I put a drop of OnGuard in it, and I chug it. And the effects of doing that, it gets into your system internally, and it just gives your immune system a boost to help you fight off whatever it is that you think that you're getting. You can also put it in different types of cleaners, or put it in a spray bottle to help disinfect countertops and other types of hard surfaces like that. It has a cinnamon undertone, so you can even soak apples or anything that you like in the OnGuard essential oil to help give your immune system a boost that way. The goal is really to just get it in your body, or use it as a defense to prevent things from happening, such as cleaning off hard surfaces or wiping off counters. You can also put OnGuard and fractionated coconut oil together and combine it and use it for a hand cleanser. So that's another fun thing to do. So like I had mentioned, you can diffuse it. You can put it in your diffuser just to clear the air. If you've had kids coughing, or you have different things coming in and out of the house, or maybe you have company. Maybe it's something like, you have a holiday dinner, or you have a big gathering of people in your home, and you just want to keep the air fresh, and you have all these different people, bringing different things, in, and you're wanting to fight off any kind of illness or chance of spread of illness or anything like that. Go ahead and diffuse it. It helps freshen the air, and it combats it before it ever becomes a problem. Again, I said internally, drinking it, it's one of my go-tos if I feel something happening. And then topically on the desired area. You may dilute it if you have sensitive skin with some fractionated coconut oil, because it does have that cinnamon, kind of a hot feel to it. For most people, I think it's okay, but always test it first. That's kind of a suggestion I have. So that is my little learning moment on OnGuard. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Please feel free to leave a comment, and if you'd like some more information about OnGuard, by all means, please connect with me. Feel free to email me, or go ahead and look at my website, mydoterra.com/easyoils. And if I can't answer your questions, I will find someone who can. So I appreciate you listening, and have a good day. Thank you.